Today we're making white chocolate candies or circles or whatever shape you want to make, but we're making white chocolate. So we'll start out with our cocoa butter. We have 80 grams of cocoa butter over here. We're heating it in a double boiler just to kind of heat it more evenly. If you need to, you can go ahead and heat this in the microwave. It also works. This just is kind of more consistent. So we're going to melt this and we'll just stir it often until it's completely melted. Meanwhile, we'll measure our other ingredients. While you're melting your cocoa butter, we're gonna go ahead and measure over here. I have powdered milk, just regular store-bought powdered milk, 80 grams of that, and then 40 grams of powdered sugar. And we'll just leave this to the side of our cocoa butter, which we'll check on, still melting. Once it's completely melted, we will whisk this in thoroughly and then we will grind it. So our cocoa powder is now completely melted. We can either mix it in here or I'm gonna go ahead and mix it with a hand blender here. So I'm gonna pour it in and then blend this up. All right, and then we're gonna just take this once it's smooth and spoon it into our molds. Now the first one I showed was hearts. We also have cupcakes here, but we'll just fill our molds while it's still liquidy. And you'll just want to keep grinding it until it's smooth. If it's not smooth enough for you, you can just keep going. Otherwise, if you have a chocolate grinder, I think you can just leave it in there for a while. I don't know, like an hour. Anyway, but this one is pretty quick, and then we'll put it in the fridge to set for at least half an hour, and it will be ready to go in your favorite recipe or as a snack. Here's just to show you how easy these pop out when they're done. And then you have wafers for baking with or eating, or just kind of a fun little treat.